In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Cash App card to FanDuel. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, make sure your FanDuel app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for FanDuel, and install any available updates before continuing. Next, open the FanDuel app and go to the Account section. From there, tap on Add Funds to open the deposit page. You'll now see different payment methods available for deposits. Select the credit or debit card option first. Then enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing zip code. If the card is accepted, you can complete the deposit immediately. If the regular debit card option does not work, some users have reported success by selecting the FanDuel prepaid card option instead and entering the same Cash App card information there. Before submitting the deposit, make sure your Cash App card is fully activated inside Cash App and that you have enough funds available on the card balance. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.